Hello, everybody. How are you? Fine? That's good. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 20, spelling lesson 3. Okay, you can do it. Unscramble the words, then write them in the box. Use the words from the word bank if you need. Okay, here in the word bank we have race, winter, rat, wet, rainy, window, rain, hoe, bear, and windy. Okay, work with me. We are going to scramble the words together. Okay, number 1. Which word is this? Window. Okay, window. Number 2. Rainy. Okay, it's rainy. Number 3. Wet. Number 4. Rat. Number 5. Windy. Number 6. Winter. Number 7. Rain. Number 8. How. Number 9. Bear. And number 10. Race. I know that you did a great job. Okay, please don't work on this. Okay, if you can't. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.